Okay, so you've got a spreadsheet full of numbers like this, and honestly, it's kind of hard to look at. What if I told you Google Sheets can turn this into an actual interactive dashboard in like 10 seconds, no formulas, no charts menu, nothing? Let me show you. So with your data open, go up to Insert and click Create a Canvas. You can also get here from the Tools menu or the little canvas icon down in the bottom bar, whichever's faster for you. Now this is the fun part. There is a prompt box right here, and you just tell Gemini what you want. I'm going to type, build a dashboard showing total revenue by region, units sold by product, and a status breakdown of shipped versus pending orders. Hit enter and just wait for it. And look at that. And it's already pulling real numbers straight from our sheet. We've got revenue by region, a product breakdown, status cards. This isn't a static image either. It's actually connected to the data underneath. And if you don't love how it looks, you don't have to start over. Just type another prompt. Watch. Convert this dashboard into dark mode, and it just updates. You can keep refining it however you want. Quick tip. If you ever want to see the raw numbers behind any chart, click View Data up top. And you can rename this canvas too. Just click the title bar and type a new name. To jump back to your normal spreadsheet, just click any other tab. So that's it. One boring spreadsheet turned into a real dashboard just by describing what you wanted. No pivot tables, no chart wizard, none of that. If this feature isn't showing up for you yet, check that you're on a native Google Sheet, not an Excel file, and that you've got Gemini access on your account. If that was helpful, go try it on one of your own sheets right now and let me know in the comments what kind of dashboard it builds for you. See you in the next one.